English conversation practice. Why did you do all this?
Because he is my enemy.
Why does he want to cover himself so much?
I think he is a criminal.
It's too expensive.
I can give you a 15% discount.
I failed again.
Don't give up.
It's your turn.
I'm not ready yet.
Do you want to see it again?
No, because it's ugly.
What do you think of it?
It's totally wrong.
Do I look that bad?
No, you are so handsome.
Do you want me to get her?
No, because I love you.
Do you have a boyfriend?
I don't have a boyfriend.
Do you know she is married?
I don't know if he's married.
Do you like cars?
Yes, I do.
I never thought I could do it.
Really, you are intelligent.
Could you help me with this?
Yes, I'll do the best I can.
Should I do more in my role?
Yes, of course.
Can I do more in my role?
Sure.
This is a good meal. What do you think?
Assuredly right.
Where do you work?
I work at Oxford University.
But how do you do?
I'll do it with my brother.
Don't let him go to USA.
Okay, you come soon.
Do you know that profound thinker?
Yeah, he is a very profound thinker.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Do you know that?
Yes, I know the details.
Do you want all this?
No, don't.
Can you decide what to do next?
Yes, I'll help my mother.
How could he do such a thing to his own children?
I don't know.
Do you want to tell me about it?
Yes, before knowing the details, then invest.
Do you have to go back right away?
What is the problem?
How many dollars do you have?
I think about $150.
How do you feel today?
I feel very good today.
Do you know what he said to the emperor?
No, I don't.
Do you realize that's the first time you've done that?
Yeah, I do.
Why don't you take a shower?
Because I'm not feeling well.
Are you looking for a boyfriend?
I don't need a boyfriend.
When do I start?
You'll start at 9 a.m.
Why don't you ask him?
Because he doesn't know.
Do you want people harassing you?
No, I don't.
Do you have some more questions?
No, thanks.
Did you enjoy the show?
Yes, I was enjoying the show.
Do you want to go to the doctor?
Yes, I do.
Why don't you share it?
Because it's not good for us.
What is she doing?
I don't know what he's doing.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
How many dollars do you have?
I only have $5.
Who would you like to speak to?
I'd like to speak to Mr. Smith, please.
When will he be back?
He'll be back in 30 minutes.
What time does it start?
It starts at 8:45 a.m.
What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Anything else?
Nothing else.
Are they the same?
Yes, they're the same.
Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid.
Are you American?
Yes, I'm American.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to seafood.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
Are you ready?
No, I'm not ready yet.
Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
Are you sick?
Yes, I'm sick.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't have a boyfriend.
Do you have any vacancies?
Sorry, we don't have any vacancies.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How far is it?
I think about 300 kilometers.
How is she?
She's pretty.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages.
How much are these earrings?
Only $50.
How much does this cost?
It was $17.
How many dollars do you make?
$15 per hour.
How does it taste?
It's delicious.
What do you do for work?
I'm self-employed.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Thank you so much for watching my video.